Good morning, everybody, or in my case, good night, I suppose. So yeah, I can't sleep. So I'll be getting quite a few coffees today. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go and crack on and get some more of these Python programs done. So everything we did yesterday has gone through. Yeah, so all the ones that we did yesterday have now been approved. Only thing we were asked to do was actually make sure we put the messages in the commit message. So, you know, we was putting on GitHub that we should there's no meaningful test suite in the program, so we've only done a runtime test. They just want that actually in the commit message. Fair enough request. We can crack on with that. I did a couple while you weren't there as well. I did the HP print software and the Terminus font. But hey, you want me to go and crack on with the next one, I'll imagine. And the next one is... let's see. We'll go this way today. MC log. Sounds like a safe one. Let's fire up a terminal. Why is my keyboard shortcut not working? So let me show you how we test these. So the first thing to do is emerge verbose ask one shot, because we don't want to add it to our world file, because we want to remove all these at the end. Let me just type the application name as so. Okay, so let's not complain him. Go take a look. CD root app admin. Okay, we can see 204 down there, so let's go check that out. It's already done. Right, that's nice and easy. So what I should be doing is also checking the commit logs. So yep. Hey Lee. Yeah, back so soon. I've had like 3 hours sleep. Couldn't get back, so I thought, bugger it, let's just go and crack on. Okay, next one. NGX top. So let's go take a look, see what we can find on this programmer, shall we? I do apologise if I'm a bit all over the show. Like I say, no sleep, so be an interesting one. Okay, no one's done this one yet, so I should be able to do. Okay, and we can see no one that's done that yet. So let's go back. Let's go and see if there's a newer version out. Oh my good god, why can't I do this? There we go. Right, so there's no newer version. Well, it might be. So you've done stage 4 didn't work, get the recompiled VLC. Well, it's just because you're using Damien's sloppy work. You should have been using models, good work. You don't want to be using Damien stuff. Ooh, 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 ooh. Apparently I don't know how to run anything. Excellent. No, you misunderstand. Damien has all the rubbish Fedora stuff. Oh, Lee, you haven't heard, have you? Lee Tangent for you right here. You'll love this one. So, the Arch Linux server sent out an everyone message saying to vote for the most helpful Arch Linux user. You know me, I did a little bit of trolling, and I've got everyone in the Gentoo server to vote for a Gentoo user as the most helpful Arch Linux user. I've taken it a step further. I am now trying to bribe the judges of the thing to make sure that Cal wins. It's the most funniest thing I've ever done. It started off that I was going to try and get Damien to do it, and then I just thought it'd be even more funny just to pick Cal. But guess what the prize is? This is the bit that's going to get you. The winner wins to become a mod of the Arch Linux server. He would use Arch Linux. He's not even in the server. Why do you want to make it so he wins? It's brilliant, isn't it? Oh. I think I've pissed off all the mods over there. Because I keep messaging them saying who's winning, who's winning, who's winning. Because obviously I've told them. I'm not one of them people that's gonna ruin the thing. But they were just like, I can't believe you're telling us you're doing the troll like this. I was just like, of course I'm gonna tell you. I've got one of the mods to vote for him, actually. I think I haven't got the owner to vote for him. Or was it the owner of a Debian server to vote for him? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out... Yeah, you can get into it. If you go into the Gentoo server, just message at Old Fashioned Cow and just say, how do I vote for you? It'll give you the link. I might do a video for it on YouTube, see if we can get some more people. Okay, I probably should be showing this one. So on this one, we've actually managed to get some test results. As you can see here, 3 tests were run. So when test results all pass, it means everything in that application is going to work, providing the test suites are good. Sometimes you run test suites and you can sort of notice there's some issues with it, and then you can start going, well, I'll probably have to do some runtime tests with it. But looking at these ones, everything looks good, so we can just instantly send this one off. So let's do that right this second. Oh, excellent, you got it. What was it? NXG top. Nope. Hey Silver, you alright? Well, my sleeping pattern's all over the show, so I just sleep when I sleep. But I went to sleep last night about 8 o'clock, and then woke up at midnight. Okay, and then we run this command here called package check, and what it does is it looks for issues with packages. So we always do it on the one that we're just about to send through, see if we can fix anything. Sometimes the big ones and a little bit out of scope for what we're doing today. Today's one is it's saying it's only an unstable package. It's not my package, it's not my place to be stable in this package. I know nothing about it. All I know is that I've fixed it for Python 3.13 and it works fine. I can send that off, so that's all I'm going to do with this one. Does that make sense? Do please ask questions if you don't get me as I go through. See, I'm not very good at this streaming stuff. Like, I know I'm a professional streamer and somehow I'm in the top 5% of Twitch. But no one understands why. because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And half the time I'm asleep. That's it, I can't even open up the right window. Right, let's get the bug number that we're working on. So that's this one. So what we do is, you can see here we've put a flag on that for closes, and we put the bug number in. What that does is it instantly puts a I'll show you. As you can see right here, it says that it closes this bug. Once it goes through, it will yeah, once it goes through, the bot will then tell you that it works fine. Sorry, the bot then goes to the bug tracker on Bugzilla and puts information in, and then it will close the bug down, which eventually just takes some work off some of us on the bug tracking stuff. Hi, Soccer, you alright? What I'd be interested in seeing today is, can I fill up an entire thing just full of my commits? That'd be quite impressive. And there we go, that's another one closed down. Okay, next one, PSMem. So let's go through this. We'll do the same thing again. We go to pull requests, we go across, search. We can see there was something done back then, doesn't matter. We then go here, we search for the package. Is there a newer version? No, there's not. Ah, but someone's already done Python 3.13. So, what we can do is go find it. App admin. I like these ones. God, that coffee's good. Yeah, I don't know what you did, Soccer, on there. I had to keep out of it because obviously I know you. We have a rule where if we know the person, we don't get involved. But they undid it, I think, because I knew you. I think they just realised you were trying to have a joke and it backfired on you. You gotta remember, on Discord we get a load of like low effort trolls, so if you're gonna troll good. Sort of trolling so good that you're overtaking an Arch Linux voting system That's the sort of troll that we classify as like a, you know, a low effort troll. Shit, where is there? It is. Okay. So that's one we just did, wasn't it? Yep. So we'll move on to this one. So, highlight the program. We go to pull requests. We delete all this. We search. The last one was 2014 when someone added Python 3.12 support. Easy for us to do them. We then go here. We search the package. Is there a new version? There is no new version. So, let's do emerge verbose ask pydf. Edit the e-build. We do e-build py manifest. What a manifest does, it just updates the checksums so it passes the tests. Yeah. And we can now test, see if this works. If you're wondering what the test stub thing, basically if there's any dependencies that only get satisfied when it's running the test, this would put everything in for us. Okay, so we can see that it's not. So good news for us means we don't have to build it on our system. We can just do this ebuild py, and then we just type test, and it will compile and test for us. Nice and simple. Ah, fucker. So there's no meaningful test on this. So we'll just merge it. Yeah, the Debian server seems way worse. I usually get messages from the Debian people telling me like of all the trolls they found, and I'm just like, we don't have problems that bad. But most of our stuff is just like edgy kids. Like we seem to get 4chan users. It's not really needed in like a semi-official Gentoo server. Was it PYDYF? No, I forgot how you said it. PYDF. Seems to run. Let's unmerge it so we haven't got it stuck in my system. Okay. PYDF. And then we do nano. $13. So the first test we're doing is to make sure it runs on my system with no issue. The second test is to get it ready to be committed into GitHub, ready to be merged. Okay, we'll do the QA test. And we can see there that all it's saying is it could be stabled on some things. Not my package. I don't know enough about the program, so I'm just going to leave that hell alone. I'll just do git add. I can redo this command again. Grab the bug number. What's the Matrix chat like? I think they've got a link in there to the IRC. Or do they have like it in a separate room? I don't know. I've used Matrix for some report some Flatpak issues to Fedora. Didn't think it was that great. Well, I don't really like Discord either, to be fair. More of an IRC guy. So I didn't really think Matrix is much better either. Oh. Would you please... Oh, there we go. Okay, one done. Right, what's next? Nothing there. Search the package. Nothing there. Okay, let's see if we can get this to compile then. So, we go back to our test one here. So for those of you wondering why we're doing this, hopefully Python 3.13 is going to be stabilised in Gentoo very soon. I kind of want it for work as well, because it's going to make our stuff faster. But the quicker Gentoo gets it, the quicker we can put it into work. I don't really want to jump ahead until Gentoo's got it. Hi Snail, how are you? I haven't seen you on the stream for ages. We've missed you. Ah, well, now it's the best stream ever. We got the best person on today. Okay. So, I should be able to emojis package now. So, redfish tool. With test results. Okay, you can see this time it's put in a dependency, which is probably because it's a test dependency. I don't know, but let's merge. Finally on vacation. Oh dear, my daughter's already been and gone from uni. God, it still feels bad that my daughter's gone to uni. Oh, that's another one. So I went to the bus stop to take my daughter home yesterday, the other day, and some random guy was talking to me. Somehow he seemed to realise that I like to drink as much as he did, so we were chatting around, and then I said something about looking for women, and I turned around and went, "Sorry, you don't want your dad to say that," and he was like, She's your daughter?" I was like, "Yeah." He was like, "Bloody hell, I thought that was your girlfriend." I was like, "No." Okay, how do you use redfish? Just give me an example. Ugh. Ah, here we go. Hello. Well, that looks good to me. So what we'll do is git check out branch redfish. Spell checkout wrong. So some things have been dropped. What's been dropped? Top of my head, I think there's an email module that's been dropped. There's a few things that have been dropped. There's just not been too much that I've noticed. As we go through, we'll find stuff. The worst one I've had to fix was the luge. Most stuff's just gone through. Like 12 was a bit painful. I didn't manage to get much done on 12. Although my skills have improved, so it's been a year, so... package check. Scan. Redfish tool. Just do a QA test, see how we do that. Somebody kicks his... Oh no, the guy was like, really nice, Snail. Like, yeah, like, it was actually... We had a really nice chat, to be honest, like... I mean, let's be honest, before I got there I was scared shitless of the guy. He could handle himself in a fight and, you know, I never would have won. But, yeah, no. Looks are deceiving, as they say, right? One of the nicest guys I met. I actually wouldn't mind going out for a drink with him if I didn't know he was a raging alcoholic. Right, so yep, this one's done. So what we did on this one is that the program itself's got a built-in test, runtime test. So we run that. So we can just get add. We can scroll up, find out where we got this, and we can... just copy that in. I can't spell. He was actually saying to me though that he looks quite young next to his daughter. So what he's been doing lately is like just saying to people as he gets there, "This is my daughter." I think he was trying to give me some advice as well. Okay. So I think when we've done this one, we'll have a quick look, see how many we got done. As you can see, these aren't too complicated. All we're doing is compiling a package, seeing if it's got anyone that's done any work on it before. Obviously we don't want to double up doing the same work, it's a waste of time for everyone. We then just to make sure to see if there is an updated package that we can work on. Do we need to clean the e-build up at all? Then we try and test it as best we can, and then we chuck it up. That's basically how package maintaining works. It's just time consuming, isn't it? But the way I look at it is there's things I can't do that smarter people that me can do. So me wasting a day doing this means the person that can do a skill that I can't do, they can do it on, they can fix that task instead. And that's kind of how open source works. There's loads of tasks where you can feel like you know, you're not really doing anything, but you are. You know, you could be doing a simple task that frees me up to do something that, you know, that you couldn't do, and then that in turn frees up a more skilled dev to do something that I can't do. And it's basically how Linux works. There is no boring crappy job that's not helpful. Anything you can do is helpful. Even just doing things like supporting, you know, doing technical support in forums and stuff like that. It stops us having to do it, so we can actually go and work on fixing bugs. Ah, so here you go, look. I've got a nice little... Ah, someone's fucking got in the way there. What a wanker. I was doing so well. Look, I nearly had a whole page. I had nowhere near a whole page, but... I probably should have IRC open in case someone's complaining. No, we're all good. I don't normally have IRC open when I'm doing streaming because you don't need to see messages. But in this case, where I'm touching a load of packages, someone might want to just be able to get hold of me and just say, "What the fuck you doing?" Let's have a look. Now you can see, look, it's already added the patch straight there. So it adds a see also and a keyword there. So it just lets everyone else know that someone's done the work already. So like I say, the worst thing you can do is just do something and not tell someone else, because you're making someone else do the work that you already done. Right, so that's the one we just did. Let's check this one out. Okay. Nothing of interest here. Nothing of interest there. Let's go and check the package. Oh god. Where the fuck is it? Close some of these tabs down. Okay. Oh, was that coffee gone? Oh, I've done that a few times. What's sideberry? Is that, does it just put the thing down the side here instead? You know what, let's go and have a look. Yeah, I think that just bugged me. My autism's kicking in already. Like, I can't have my tabs in a weird place. It's weird, isn't it? You got certain things. Like, it probably would benefit me, but I'm already getting the jitters just because I'm seeing tabs in a different place. I'm gonna have to close that down. Have you all seen that new? Well, I'm here though. Have you all seen that new? What was it? Yeah, this one. YouTube spam remover. It searches through all the comments on YouTube and it instantly hides all known spam messages. So it's got keyword recommendations for things like the you know, the crypto bro ones, but it also checks the ones with the, you know, you get the half naked ladies in the profile pictures. It's got like a thing for checking that out, and then it also like goes through some block lists for other places. It's a really good thing, and it's very good hit rate on what it blocks. Everything that's blocked so far, I'm pretty sure is spam. I'm sure there's going to be false positives. Nothing's perfect, but it's improved my reading the comment section tenfold since I've had it. Highly recommend this. Thank you, Sammy. Okay, let's see if we can get this working. What the fuck was that? Seven one R2. Yeah. Don't like how it's done that. Let's try and keep everything standard. What the fuck was that? Ah. Okay, so this one has a dependency that also needs changing. You can see it just there, Motto 6, whatever the fuck that is. So let me show you how you do two together. Hey? Hey? It's already got a 13. What the fuck's that not working then? Oh, less than 5. So I don't think this is going to work. But we can try. Okay, so we're going to try and install this version only with test steps, see what happens. Whoa, that's a lot of test steps. Give it a go, see what happens. You know what this builds? I'm going to go make that coffee quickly. I'll be back in a second. Enjoy the music. I'll see you in a little bit. when I saw Tommy's face. Yeah, as you know, Tommy, I can't get screen recording to work, so every time I need to stream, I need to pop back into Mate. Don't worry, I'm adding the time on. How many days have I been using Gnome now, anyway? Fucking hate it, that's all I know. Oh, check on YouTube as well. I haven't seen them. Hello, YouTube people, how are you? Hope you're all doing alright. I'm glad you need sleep as well, at least it's not just me. Hopefully my dulcet tones will send you off to drift away. Well, let's see how we crack on with this though. So we are just waiting for this Python thing to think. It looks like it did a bit of rust there. So to get everyone up to speed, what we're currently doing is looking at a program called Sol, which has only been tested up to Python 3.12. We are trying to get one of its dependencies up to 3.13 so we can get Salt working. And that's basically what we're waiting for right this second. We're getting everything done with its test dependencies. Let's get those words out and put my teeth back in. And hopefully we can crack this one out as well. How many have we done today so far? So far we have managed to crack out... what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 so far. We got 2 bugs closed down that were done, just no one's marked them. And then yesterday we did another 8, I think. Did quite a few here. Everyone else is getting involved as well. Good to see Paranoia, whoever this guy is. Very nice dev. Like his work a lot. He's been cracking on with some of them as well. He's done some of the harder ones as well, so thank you. Oh no. Can you pop the link into a bloody into thingy, an image sharing site, and we'll have a look together, I guess. I hope it's going to be good now. Of all the people... Oh, Imgur. Yeah, no, Imgur's fine. Just remember, I'm expecting it to be a lovely image when you do it. I'm actually quite nervous now. I don't think you've done a wallpaper yet, have you? Oh, that coffee's good. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, is the music finished? Nope, it's playing. Let's see if I can remember. Oh, that's quite a good one. I like that. Little cherub. Is it what are they called? Chows. Chows, that's it. Here's a chow, isn't it? From Sonic Adventure. And why does that look like I'm getting looked at straight away? That is a me. So I'll just call it snail so I can find it in a second. I really need to clean up my pictures. I don't want to open it. And there we go. Those of you new to the stream, we have a system when you're on Twitch that if you get enough channel points, 6,000, you can set any wallpaper you like as long as it's not porn or something that my kids are going to question me about. But otherwise, what was that, Mr. Beast? Well, before Mr. Beast was weird, I made a video about that YouTube extension that puts his thumbnail on every single video. Either that or it's the thumbnail I did for Beast Mode Linux, one of the two. Let's have a look. Don't know. Where is it? Beast. Don't think so. Not unless the cat's called Mr. Beast. I've got a lot of images in there. I probably should be careful in case there's something in there you shouldn't see. Not at least until we've had dinner anyway. Oh, we're at the last package. Excellente. Okay, so I've now got this package compiled with all its test steps, so all I should have to do here is now add the words test to the end of this ebuild command, and it should rebuild the package and run the test suite for me. If it passes, then good news. We can start working on salt. This looks like it's got a long test on it. Oh, my thing, innit? Yeah. I think that was Tommy that set that. I think he was moaning about my font, so I picked a nice cursive one just to wind him up. What I do feel bad though is that I'm covering up the cat. There we go. I feel a bit better now. Well, this is a test suite and a half. You right, Lee? We had so many Lee tangents when you went around. Unbelievable. Fuck me, how much are we testing on this? I hope I haven't got enough disk space for this. PewDiePie, who's he? Is he like a new YouTuber or something? Does he need me to like, shut him out or something? I didn't keep fucking laughing. Ugh, one fail, two fails. I wonder if we do... Wait, let's see what happens if I do the 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and just see if we get anything different. So let's copy this. This will make sense in a second. You see what I'm doing. Oh. Yeah, so now we're going to test the version 5. We're just going to go and see if that fails as well on 13. Hi, Damien. Wait, we don't talk about that man here either. Have you seen my YouTube comment? I left a comment for him. You know, you got out the little guy out, ain't you, on YouTube? Make sure he gets known. It'd be right down the bottom. Okay. So let's see how this test goes, and then we can match it up in a second. I'm hoping this will mean... Well, if we see similar results, then it probably means it's fine to do... Well, we'll see. Let's just, I guess we just wait. Hey, Dummy, you finished that garden yet? If you don't know, he's been doing this garden for about 2 weeks. He seems to spend more time online than doing the actual garden. So I don't know if he's actually doing anything. I reckon he's just sitting out there talking to all us online. I mean, I don't blame him. I'd be doing the same if I had to go and clean out, you know, well, do any gardening. I said, have you finished that gardening yet? It's going to be winter by the time you finish it. He probably chucked it into RAM. RAM disk browsing, so it was an old trick we used to do to make things faster. It could be something else, but it's probably that. When PewDiePie pull request. Yeah. When what we really want now is when the Gentoo collab happening, you know? I feel like me and Pewds are in the same sort of league. I wonder how long it takes to load Firefox anyway. Don't know. Yeah, I don't know what he did. I'm gonna say RAM disk was my my first fault. We used to preload it into RAM back in the day. I left the comment. He's Gentoo, by the way. He does one pull request and that's it. He thinks he's the fucking big cheese now, doesn't he? I'm still impressed you managed to do that like in your first day though. Making the rest of us look bad, you know? PR the portage. One day I'll get one there. Closest I'll get is Python. I have got a patch in Python. It's very minor, but I have got one. I think I had something for muscle. Yeah, that's how minor it is. I can't even remember. Python 3, I think I added it in Python 3.12. Basically, there was a part of Python that was broken for everyone. So it was part of Python that was broken on all muscle systems for donkey's years. I fixed it. Someone fixed my patch and it went in. I'm counting it. I mean, my patch started it. That counts, doesn't it? Like, making a bad patch and someone fixing it. I'm taking it anyway. Yeah, Python's always been... Portage has always been Python. I mean, I don't think I only started like 2003, 2004 with Gentoo. I've been using it that long. Only 22 years or something. Oh, brilliant. Cheers, Lee. I did use Arch for 10 years though, 22 years though, so... Don't think I'm... I've used... This year is my 26th year of Linux. That's the way I usually count it. Is this gonna run? Is this actually doing anything? Yeah, it's still going. Snail set it today. And it's a rather good one, I think. Quite proud of it. Better than that shit that Tommy makes sets, isn't it? I'm not going to change it then. Yeah, you can't change it today. We've upgraded from boobs to pussy today. Yeah, I went there. I went there. Oh my good god, this test is taking forever. Hurry up. It. I think you're right. Quality assurance bot says, to be honest, bearing in mind how long I've been queuing up the quality assurance bot in Gentoo, I know all about that today. God. Well, I wasn't sleepy until I started watching this compile go. Now I'm like, keep trying to struggle, keep my eyes open. Can't even talk. Oh. Do a coin flip. We should get one of those little coin flip things for the stream. You know what the worst part is though? I don't even think I've got a coin. I spent all my money on bloody kebab last night because you made me. You're a bad man. By the way, I haven't been to sleep since I spoke to you last. I should have told you I should have streamed, but you wouldn't listen. Yeah, open it to do it. Hang on. Let me see if I can get it to do it. There we go. Open him and I got heads. Such a good AI, isn't it? Such a good AI. You would have got gnome. Well, you can set one for gnome if you want. Do I want to look? I hate it. Why is there a snail in my vodka though? Snails are getting everywhere today. I hate that image. I don't know why, but I really hate it. I think I hate that more than I hate the ones that Tommy make. I'm just going to assume this works. I'm fed up with it. Right. I wonder, could we do this? I wonder what happens if we just remove there it is. Right, let's well, I wonder what happened if I do this. Let's try it. Might be that one. Not yet. I'm working on it. I like how it started for me and you stitching each other up to be to win this prize, to making it all about Cal winning it. Bear in mind, half servers voted for it by now, I think, or half the active server. He must be like close to the top. Maybe I should make a video today about it. See if we can get some more people. Oh god. The sleepiness is definitely taken over now. Might have to go for a nap after this one. What do nap streams would go? Just to listen to me like talk in my sleep. To be honest, I think you guys have watched worse.
Damien Duddick tip £25. Kebab, chicken boob or vape.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, now I have to go and do the old... Oh, how do I do... Oh, I've got to try and work out how to do this now. Life's so hard. The message should have been vote cow though. Oh yeah, it's painless for me. I have to load up OpenAI, that's what I meant. Sorry, I'm trying to take OpenAI's whatever it's called. Oh my god, why can't I speak? Alright, see if I can figure this out. Right, 1, 2. How big's that fucking... Three. It's like the biggest fucking brush I've ever seen. 4. I'm gonna fill it up in 1. Is this like... 5. There we go. That's the normal one we have. 6. No, that's too small. Let's go. Oh my god, why is the OpenAI failing today? Right, 6. Let's just do it this way. 7. Why am I failing at life so bad today? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then it does its thing. So obviously it's 2 separate ones. Can't break the programming. Wee woo. Definitely chicken boo, put it as a Sunday. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, good news everyone is that it's about to overflow, because apparently OpenAI can't work out how the slider works. So there's a bit of programming I need to fix, and then you go weep. Oh shit. Oh shit. Weep. Vote cow. Here we go. That has got to be the worst one that OpenAI has ever done. Well, actually, it's not even fucking saved it, has it? Oh my fucking god. Can we just pretend that it did it right? I completely hashed that up, you know. Oh god. Oh. Actually, I don't think that's going to work. I think I need to do... this. Okay, right, I do this, then that pulls in all the dependencies. I'm so ready for bed. It's like ridiculous. Like, you know it's bad when you're on like your third cup of coffee and you're still about to fall asleep. My own voice has sent me to sleep today. Okay, it fails. So after all that, we've finally got to the end. But we can leave a message. Yeah. Ooh. Uh, Hmm. Pick him up, cheers. I think this one would just be stuck at 12. I think I've done most of them, to be fair, though. Because, say, I made sure my system works. And I've got a lot of Python programs. Ugh. Ugh. I think a second person. Before we go to upstream with it, yep, that works for me. So basically what we've done is we've quickly explained what we've tested. So we've already basically told them that 4x can't go to Python 3.13, so it has to use MOSA 5. We've told them we've looked upstream, but we're not 100% sure, so we just give them in that message. So we've just done it in as few words as possible, but given the next person that looks at this everything they need just to jumpstart and go, right, I know what to do. And that's basically how you talk in FOSS, really. It's all about just using the least words possible but maximum information in those least words. Right. I, though, need to get some sleep in me. So let's see if we have anyone about that is currently doing anything interesting. Cat's coding in Blender. Should we go cat's coding in Blender? I think that sounds good. Let's crack into it. Right, thank you all very much for coming along today. Sorry it's been a short one. Hopefully I'll be back a bit later on, and we'll do some Final Fantasy later on, depending on what I'm feeling. I might do some more Python. You know what I'm like. Sometimes I like doing other stuff. But yeah, let's go and watch the cat cam for a bit. I'll see you later on. Oh, and bye YouTube.